How to remove SIM card from iPhone 11. If you have been using the iPhone 11 and wondering on how to turn off the SIM card on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Settings application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now scroll down and here you can find Cellular. Just right here. Now select it. Then after that, scroll down and here you can find the SIMs that you have on your mobile phone. Just right here. Now tap onto one SIM card that you want to turn it off or remove. Now tap onto one just like this. After that, here you can find all the information about the SIM card just right here. Now to turn it off or remove it, simply tap onto this green button right here. Now tap on it. Now here it is saying turn on this line, so simply turn it off, tap on it, and now we can see it is now turned off. Now do the same process to remove the SIM card on this iPhone. And that's it. This is how you can remove SIM card from iPhone 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.